Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you. We have our Doily number 4. Now, if you're not familiar with Doily number 1, 2, and 3, you need to go check those out as well. These are all exclusive to us. They're all designs that we've designed on our own, and doilies are really hard to design, but you know what? The fantastic part about it is when they come out and you die cut them, they look amazing like this. So this is number 4. Isn't it gorgeous? I absolutely love it. I love how the centerpiece actually can pop out, so you can use different colors for that. Here's another sample of Doily number 4. Absolutely love it. Then you can even add those little pieces back in. Look how pretty that is. Doilies are so fun. They add a great background. If you want it just you need some kind of background, but you're not quite sure what background, you can use a doily. Look how pretty it is there. And then here's another one made out of glitter. Even more gorgeous, right? Isn't that fun? I mean, you could just have it without the doily, but it would be not as exciting, right? But with the doily, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, we are also releasing Sequins number 5. Sequins number 5. This includes Citrus Fun, which I've already used a couple times. This one has black tie. This one has metallic mix. Ooh, that one's pretty. This one has silver linings and So Shiny, which is all white. Now, I keep all of my embellishments in an Edna bag. I like to show it off because look at how gorgeous that is. All of my gorgeous embellishments. They're just so pretty. I love them. I just like to look at them all. So make sure you grab those because they usually sell out the first round. We also have, for a limited time, some pastel ribbons. This one has a cloud, a light blue, we have gorgeous white suede ribbon. We have a pink and white stripe and a pink ribbon. We also are releasing for a limited time summer epoxy dots. Now, whenever we come out with epoxy dots, they fly off the shelves, literally. So these are gonna go quick. This is a pack of 3, and you're getting all 5 different colors. So you're gonna be stocked on summer colored epoxy dots. So make sure you check those out as well. Club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products, including the Edna bag, because you get a club discount on everything on our website. Everything. Machines, everything. Everything. No exclusions, no exceptions, nothing, everything. And if you're not in the club, you need to go click on the Join the Club tab and watch that video to find out all the amazing reasons why you need to be in the club. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.